Hey guys, so yeah, today it's raining for the first time in forever in Thailand. Probably like a couple of months we've had a proper rain, so I really gonna, I'm all kitted out, ready to go do some street photography. I'm gonna be using my new Sony A7iii 1.8, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of shots I get. It'll be my first time shooting in the rain actually. I've always wanted to shoot street photography in the rain, you know. Got people with their umbrella, fuck's sake. We've got people with their umbrellas and crap like that. I think it, the lighting, you know how it's like super, you can see, I don't know if you can see how well you can see outside, but, oh, that's a Civic. I'm not sure how well you can see, but outside, you know, it's like super cloudy, so the sky is basically a giant diffuser. So, you know, we got some really nice, soft, and very moody lighting. So I'm really excited to see what kind of shots I get, and, you know, I'm just gonna drive over to my favorite spot, and let's get started. Holy crap, it is a bit more rainy than I thought. Oh boy. The A7iii should be fine. Jeez, it is actually raining a lot more than I thought. Holy fuck. Okay, looks like I'm offered a bit of shade here. It's really, really awesome when you get people on motorcycles and kind of like in their more like vulnerable states of driving a motorcycle. Exposure is still a bit too high. Come on. Overexposed. Yo. That's a rare sight. Damn, I fucking suck at panning shots. Oh, here we go, guy on a motorcycle. Ooh, some of these are pretty good. I might have to step back a bit, I'm a bit too close. Oh shit, we got some people on their bikes now. I really wish I had a 70-200. Let's see if we can get any more people or anything at all actually. Look at this guy kind of up. I wish there were more people walking around. There's no one walking around, man. kind of guys with their bright pink stuff. Why are my photos so overexposed? What is the... I see umbrellas. I see umbrellas. I want umbrellas. Some of these look sick. Okay, you know, what is this? I don't understand. I like that umbrella lady. She looks so fucking cool. But I really wish I had a 70-200. I want that compression, man. Some of those turned out sick. That's a sick shot. I got his face. Right as he looked at the camera, he's like fucking smirking. Keep pulling umbrellas. They're gonna cross. They're gonna cross. No, wait. Fucking. My focus point was like, thing was going all over the place. Oh yeah, you gotta look right in the camera as well. Sick AF. Like, yeah, I thought that would look cool, but it's just okay, that's it. You know, I want something that's like, whoa, man, that looks so cool. Oh, this is a sick shot. I kinda wanna get some B-roll. This should be possible. Oh, that's a sick dude. Awesome. That's it. Oh, this will be a sick shot. Umbrellas, fucking umbrellas, umbrellas. I spotted the umbrellas. Oh fuck me. Umbrellas. And they're crossing the road. They're crossing the fucking road. They're crossing the road. Yes. Yes. Umbrellas, baby. Holy shit, it's picking up quite a bit. I fucking love this. These shots are so good. I'm gonna wait for them to cross the road.
Okay, we got 3 umbrellas. Oh my god, 3 umbrellas. This is amazing. We got 3 fucking umbrellas, guys. 3 umbrellas. Oh, let's go. Oh, fucking umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Holy shit, umbrella gang. Almost. Hey, logically speaking, it should be this one. I hope I can get. Yes. Come on, mates. Let's show me those beautiful shots. Ooh. Motorcycle.